Alright, silence, cameraman. We are taking over this store.
Who are you?
My name is Franz Guber, and I'm taking over Yankee Dabbler. I'm tired of low train prices, and I'm here to raise them. So you will do what I say. Let's take a look at these new cars that we have here. Pan to the cars.
I don't know who you are,
Pan
sir.
to the cars. These are 59-foot cylindrical hoppers. They look fantastic, don't you say, cameraman?
Sure they do, buddy.
Silence! Only I may talk in this video. As you can see, I have a whole bunch of different colors and designs, and these are on clearance here at Yankee Dabbler. I'm not a fan of the clearance price because they want to sell it for $18.99. Outrageous. Look at the quality of these. Look at the detailing. These look amazing. So I'm going to raise the price. Now it is $34.98 with its original retail price. And there's nothing you can do about it. Now if you excuse me, there are some customers in the store that I have to go raise their prices. I'll be back. You give me more money?
DJ, where you at, dog? I'm hostage in the store. Some guy here trying to raise the prices. I already got a lower price. I want to raise them. Please come help.
You gotta be kidding me, Engineer Hall. We hate high train prices. Don't worry, I'm on my way. Aha. Full price, that's where it's at. Money for high train prices. Speaking of which, we have a new car to look at here. 10 to the car, cameraman. These are 72-foot Centerbeam Flatcars. Don't they look pretty? They're actually worth a pretty penny. They're once again here from Walthers. If you take a look at the design of these cars, you'll notice they are particularly detailed. Look at the writing on the inside. Metal wheels. I like it. As a matter of fact, I like it so much that I'm going to take it from its $14.99 for this. Are you insane? I'm raising it back to $34.98. How do you like that, cameraman?
I don't like being your hostage.
Oh, I don't care what you want because I like high train prices. So come here to the high train place, Dabbler, where you will get this car for $35, not $15. Cameraman, you're going to record me as I do my list of demands here that I've written down. If I do not get what I want, I will take all model trains and raise their prices.
Please don't do that, man. Look. Don't do it.
Here are my demands, then. I would like $1 billion in Athearn, $1 billion in Atlas, $4 in Bachman, and $75 billion in all the others. Don't do what I say. Let's take a look at another car, shall we? This is 57-foot mechanical reefers, and don't they look splendid? Look at the colors. Look at the colors, cameraman.
Yes, sir.
I like the attention to detail. You know, when I was a kid, I used to like models. And now I like high prices on models because this car here, which that Yankee Dabbler is selling for $15.99, is going to be back at its original price of $34.98. And there's nothing you can do about it. Hey, cameraman.
No, you're a bad villain. You know that. There's something ain't right about you.
I like high train prices. Let's take a look at our cars that we had here today. All at full price, $34.98 for every single one of them. How do you like that, cameraman?
Cameraman don't like that. I like the sell price.
What's that? I hear
that?
somebody. I gotta go investigate. Give me money. Apparently we have a party crasher flying the... What? No. $15.99. $14.99. $18. What does that say? Ho, ho, ho. Now I have a price gun. Ooh.
Oh, you're in big trouble now, buddy.
Appears we have an unwanted guest. Listen here, Secret Service agent. Nope, not law enforcement. Policeman. Nope, guess again. Well, whoever you are, do not interfere with my plans for total high train price domination. It's the guy that got caught in the train store with some lunatic raising prices. Seemed like a nice chap. Okay, we have here another engine that we're going to see, cameraman. Are you ready?
Sure, buddy.
Put the camera down here.
Whoa, wait,
What
point.
the
Whoa, okay,
down.
easy. I'm
Yeah.
pointing.
Then it's off to the rooftop with you. We have here some SD45s. I understand there are different designations. Cameraman, it is your time to speak.
Sorry, you had me gagged for a minute. Yeah, different variations of the model and stuff, but SD45s, okay with you?
I allow it. Isn't that beautiful? Take a look at the detailing on some of these engines here. I like that thing. What is that called? Cameraman?
Oh, I'm sorry. Is there a reroller?
Don't have me ask you again. We have a high hood variation over here. I like it. Hopefully these engines will find nice, happy homes for someone who pays full price. Should we demonstrate one of these?
Sure, whatever you want, buddy.
Which one do you think we should do? Silence! The Rio Grande it is. I particularly like this model. If you could see, I have a rotating gyro light there. And check out the color of the classification lights. Green for money. Red for give me your money. And white for surrender your money. Yankee Dabbler wants to sell this for $299.99, but I'm gonna sell it for $374.99. We had a wonderful show here today. Let's take a look at everything we looked at, all for full price, of course. We had here these SD45s from Scale Trains, and a whole bunch of Walthers cars. There was Reefer cars, there was flat cars, there was hopper cars. All at full price, and there's nothing anybody can do about. What's going on, Franz? Having fun at the store? Oh, look who it is. It looks like John Wayne just rode off into the sunset with Grace Kelly.
Wait a minute. Isn't that a Gary Cooper?
Funny. Put your locomotive down, or these cars get smashed. I'll do it. Whoa. Okay. I want the trains to be okay. I'm putting my locomotive down. Do not harm the trains. Oh, the cowboy plays nice because he's afraid of his trains getting smashed.
Unfortunately, you forgot one thing.
What?
Yippee-ki-yay, Yankee Dabbler.
What are you doing? No! 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 High train prices! No clearance! No! Ah! Thank God that guy's gone, huh, Engineer Hall?
Absolutely, that guy was super annoying. Had me tied up.
Whew, really?
Yeah, and he'll keep bossing me around saying, get the trains, get the trains.
Well, I'm sorry you had to go through that ordeal, but we are here. Maybe you could take a nice desk job now.
Maybe.
All right. Well, I'm going to tell you the actual prices of these engines here at Yankee Dabbler because we don't play around. Isn't that right, Engineer Hall?
Absolutely.
So let's take a look. So these SD45s, they retail for $374.99, but we're selling them here for $299.99. Isn't that a good deal?
Always a great deal.
Yeah, and then all these rolling stocks are like massively reduced clearance. So these hoppers, for example, these are $34.98. We're selling them here at $18.99. Box cars, $15.99, and a flat car is $14.99. Great price to get on Walthers cars, wouldn't you say, Engineer Hall?
Absolutely. You can build a whole unit train, especially with those cylinder hoppers.
That's right, and we have a bunch of multiple row numbers for those cars, too. All right, if you're not already subscribed to Engineers Hall channel, what I want you to do is I want you to click that subscribe button, get caught up on all the videos. You know what we just did, Engineer Hall?
What did we just do?
We did our 5,000 subscriber video.
That's pretty cool at the Woodstown Central.
That's right, it was a lot of fun, and that's actually going to be a rail fan video. But one thing I want to mention is, if you're looking for the lowest prices in trains, why don't you go to yankeedabbler.com, type in the search bar what you're looking for, and hopefully we will get that sent to you so you have hours of railroading fun this holiday season. So I want to wish everyone a happy holidays. Thank you very much for watching us on our show. Engineer Hall, thank you so much for being such a part of our railroading experience.
Well, thanks for having me. I'm glad you're here. Also.
All right, so subscribe. We got our New Year's episode coming up. So we did 24 for 24. I'm sorry, 23 for 23, 24 for 24. What do you think we're going to do this time for 2025?
24 plus 1?
Or 25.
Here you go,
Yes.
25.
All
There you
right,
go.
so 25 for 25. We'll do rail fan videos. We'll do real videos. And as a matter of fact, Engineer Hall is even going to do a little dance. It's going to be great. He just doesn't know it yet. All right, speaking of our rail fan video, we're going to go back to the Woodstown Central, but I saw the steam engine finally.
Finally saw them.
Took 2 days, but I finally saw that steam engine here, and I hope you enjoyed number 9. So from everyone here at Yankee Dabbler, myself, Engineer Hall, we got Ken, we got Cody. Who's the stupid one? I forgot his name. Christian, that's right. Frank, Bill, Jerry, Mike, and everybody else that's here. Thank you so much. Happy holidays. Have a wonderful new year. I will see you in 2025 where we're going to have more trains, more deals, and more stupid videos. Are you excited?
Yeah, just keep them rolling.
Woo! I have some ideas for some already. I thought
what?
about a great idea. You know why we were doing this Die Hard episode?
Yeah.
We should do Die Hard 2.
Ooh, what's it going to be about?
Whatever the plot of Die Hard 2 was. I did Die Hard 3, and then there's Die Hard 4. There might be 5, although I think they started to call it different names.
Which one was in New York? With the dump trucks?
That's like every one. So, anyway, yeah. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next year.